sending people to go and talk to us. Stop sending any spokesperson to talk to us. We want to hear from you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just get post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I put video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. For this our channel, na tori now they talk and na pidgin English will tell the knock our tori for you.
My people, today's topic, this story, we dey on Buhari matter. Our Baba Buhari, the president of Nigeria. One of their member, she don't cry, come out. This one are the people wey be say that they vote for Buhari, now they do everything for inside Buhari, for Abuja, for them, now they do everything. Now she cry, come out, say Buhari need to come out, make he come talk, because he no feel quiet like this. They know they say am for anywhere. They know they say am for news. They know they say am for anywhere. Say Buhari need to come out. Now the personal person to Buhari. Before now listen to this our lovely mommy, wetin she talk. I just want to remember how say e don tey when they don talk and say Buhari don kpeme. Many people no want take am for people hands. They no want believe. Many of us we no want believe. We say na lie. We say nothing like that. How we go talk like that? But the rumor dey waka up and down. Many people don come, don shook mouth put. They say Buhari no dey there again. Another person na him dey there. They say in every rumor there must be an element of truth. Even of recent, Father Mbaka, he come out. He come still talk.
Buhari and the Buhari in the social media, they are not the same.
So my people, when I hear from Father Mbaka mouth, he said the Buhari one and they say that they fly the picture for everywhere. He say not be the real Buhari. So my question now say, where the real Buhari? The real Buhari, when me and you know, e no go feel quiet, may all these things they happen for Nigeria. The real Buhari, e no possible. The Buhari way dey na different color now we dey see. Sometimes one go tall pass some go short pass, some go even get weight pass, some go fresh, while some go look old. So we no know which one come dey now with different name. Now here where he go hospital for treatment that day. Now another name, now they bring come and say that so person, now they not be Buhari. So my people, where are we going to now? The country Nigeria now, every day is the worst. No, we not think say or reason say we dey for Obodo Ibo. What about our parents, our brothers and sisters when they down Nigeria? Now they see all the news when they send come for us for WhatsApp. Person sometimes self to even open WhatsApp message, you go find the fear make you no see horrible things. So be say you know what even see with your eyes. Things will be say you will see that very day to even put food for mouth na lie. So now listen to this Buhari personal person. I believe with this woman talk, una go not say no be the Buhari, no be it there again. Where our real Buhari? When I listen, they will come back.
Good morning, Baba Buhari. My name is Oluwatoyin Badmus. I'm a Iyaloja and Iyalode of Abuja. I'm your fan. I've been your fan since 1984-85. I've been campaigning for you since 2015. In fact, in 2019, I campaigned for you in front of Wuse Market. At the campaign ground in Wuse Market, General Marwa was there. Then one retired IG of police, I think his name is Abai, was there. Baba, this killing is getting too much. Like I said, I'm your avid supporter. This is not about opposition. This killing that is going on around the country, this kidnapping, Baba, please talk to us. Address us. We want to hear from you. We don't want to be hearing from Shehu Garuba. It's you that you want to hear from. Give us assurance that everything will be okay. We are afraid to come out of our house. Last week we heard that one of the members of APC was killed on his way to the airport. That was Gulag in Imo State. Today now we are hearing rumors. I pray to God that it is not true. That they have killed the DG of or the DG of what is the name of this parastatal of NECO. Our children, they will go to school, they will kidnap them. Baba, talk to us now. Please. Talk to us. Come on national television. Address us. Talk to your people. We want to hear from you. We want to know the situation. I'm begging you. I'm begging you on behalf of all the women in Nigeria. We are tired. I am begging you. Please come out and talk to us. Come and address us. This is getting too much. I'm over 60-year-old. I was not too young when the last civil war started in Nigeria. My mother has to pack all of us and go and hide us in our hometown in the 60s. Papa, please address us now. Talk to us now. The way you are keeping quiet is not good. Stop sending people to go and talk to us. Stop sending any spokesperson to talk to us. We want to hear from you. We are your children. We voted for you. I voted for you and I don't regret voting for you. But please, Baba, we want to hear from you. This killing is getting too much. We don't feel safe anymore. We want to know what the problem is. Baba, please, I want to talk to you, but since I don't have the access to get to you, I pray and I hope that this video will get to you. This is getting too much, Baba. Please, come outside and talk to us. We are tired of you keeping quiet. Please. During the campaign, you talk to us. We want you to come outside and talk to us. I'm begging on behalf of all the women in Nigeria. We are tired.
My people, now don't listen to this our mommy. She herself now personal person to Buhari o. Before she come outside, come public, come do video, voice out like this. You know say don't reach woman for NECO. Not be only she don't reach all of them. The people wey be say they vote her in. The people wey be say they stand for her. They don't tire. Because the picture wey they see now not be person wey they vote for. So the real Buhari, they say he don't pay since. So why be say that they hide down? With this woman talk now, una no go believe say Buhari is not there anywhere again. So my question now be say why did they hide down? Like I talked before, they pay me say some people will be Christian leaders. They know the truth because they our vice president na Christian man. He did there. Now he go come out, come see tell us say this one a Buhari or not be Buhari. He silent. He not say yes. He not say no. Well, I not blame her because I hear one time when they say they packet this our sister president. They packet we go even they find out. We even do video they find out. They carry everything they find out. They go. We not see how. We come they fear say I been they don't hair. But later he can't come out. So nobody they fit talk now. The person wey just dey rule down Nigeria now. The person. Now let God now know. Now let God go fit help our country Nigeria. I pray for our country. Make God unite our country. Make peace reign again. Make better presidents come. Not be this kind of president wey be say na spirit president now we get. So my people, I believe say people wey dey argue well with this woman video, with this woman talk, una go believe say no be Buhari wey una know, no be there again. Because many people for my video where I make, many people attack me. Wow, don't say Buhari don't die. Buhari never die. Okay, not die, my people. Where he did now? We all don't see him. Mona tell me. I know say this video, many people not go like her. Now, see, can leave that comment for me. But before now, leave that comment for me. Mona ask myself this question: say, where una president? Other people president. I know they see there for everywhere for news. They come out, they show their face, they talk. This one also send that they send person they come. There's something go happen, they send this one come, they send that one come. He write comments for this thing, Twitter now, they don't block her. When they use our tongue, they count our teeth. I just pity we in Nigeria. If not really true, say at the end, we'll not see the head of this Buhari say, now so they can't do one like we can see. It can't head like this. People wey dey on top, especially the ones wey they say they be Christian, wey they protect the people wey be Christian for inside, wey be say they all dey make Christian like fowl, wey be say they know all this truth, they not talk. They go wait for God on judgment day. That's why I talk my own reach show, my people. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you. Please share this video. Mona ask where una president. Even other country people don't they ask us say where is your president? We not see anything talk. Now Nigeria, now different things they happen. Now wuru iki everything now there for the happen. So my people, I'll stop this my video for here. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you watch this video, Share this with thank you. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin, anyone you call me. I did it for you. 2 Drinks Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Drinks with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Drinks.